Yo, let me hit that ball.
Now let's play 3 o'clock in the morning. No, you gotta hit the bang. Bang! One. Bang. You motherfucker, you wanna leave, you white boy, what you just be cool?
I just wanna say one. That's
I love your motherfucker, I'm gonna stick my tongue down your throat to your ass and be quiet.
all I wanna say is one.
Goddamn Barry boy. Barry be talking shit, boy. Barry be talking shit, boy. 1, 2, 3.
People talk a lot of shit, but when it comes time to spit, they all split. Yeah. I rip scripts, dig this, grimiest pig shit. Might sip a fifth and flip, I get ridiculous. Get down to business, hostile takeover. Kicking cocaine, lyricals washed with baking soda. The forsaken soldier, and my struggle is ancient. All that murder that you heard of, it was government sanctioned. Tell your brothers and your mother stop using them banks, kin. Fabricated finance stocks and day traders clocking profit every time that you shop. From slave labor, getting paid major. Databases full of data, they be tracking your course back and forth. They trade favors, got a private military on deck. You best behave, player. Naysayers say that I'm crazy and misinterpret it. I tell them nah, see you're just lazy and don't research the shit. I empathize, yo, do what it takes to get by. But understand this whole economy is based on a lie. No longer backed by gold, but still that dollar got us trapped. Goldman Sachs got bold and nearly brought a collapse. Suppose I oughta relax, but your knowledge could weigh heavy. Smoking on my way to college in a gray Chevy, yo, I stay ready in case it all crumbles down. Been clocking yards, but I think we about to fumble now. The drums pound to the rhythm of my ancestors. Brung you this sound just to give you all a damn lesson. Slam sessions, I am the essence of truth in a work of fiction. Never slacking when I'm rapping, hacking through depictions. Cracking the encryption, smacking you with wisdom. Attacking with precision and spectacular diction. As we proceed with the program. Clever with these letters, no need to make a slow jam. Blow grams, flick on my bick and spit this with no mercy. Go ham, sick as if quitting shit cold turkey. Oh damn, hipsters is tripping because my flow's dirty. Whoa man, chill, sniffing this and make your nose thirsty. Below 30 Fahrenheit with these bars, I'm never caring. Beats blaring, grip this mic in my claws and just spit.
Just spit, it's getting sick, it's cold. It's too cold, it's too cold. Get on your shit.